Hi guys, I'm bringing you another product description of this Panasonic MCUG304. If you've seen my other videos, then you know I do quite a few reviews on the Hoovers. First of all, it's a bag system, which is a bit of a twat. So you've got that. But this Hoover now you can't get because it's 2001. So, but it says it's super lightweight. It's pretty robust, must admit. Like, you know, you can't. But I mean, Panasonic's a good make. But you know, like I say, it's not a bad make. But the problem is, and this is gonna. The problem is, the first thing you'll notice is it's quite noisy. It's supposed to be. The other thing as well is a ridiculously short lead. I mean, it's a pain in the arse. I'm gonna fire it up now. I mean, like, that means that, like, if you're forever unplugging, like, it does a reasonable job of going along the edge. Like, we're in the next room now, and you'd think, wouldn't you? Think, oh, you know, because this we've had a new carpet fitted, so they get usual fluff, and then this is the problem. Like that's it. So the switch is on the side. Now, obviously, it's built like a truck, which is a good thing. But like the other problem you've got as well is all the tools. You've got to pull this out, and it's the right faff. Normally, you'd have the tools attached. It's a heavy Hoover as well. I mean, you know, I'm not weak, but I'm not very strong either. And I'd struggle with this. I know, like I was talking about the Henrys and how bloody heavy they are as well. Best Hoovers I know all around, and they're not the Dyson, because Dysons are crap, in my opinion, are the Karchers. They're just really well made. But yeah, this is made in China, so it's a bit dusty because it's been stored. But yeah, I mean, it's the pros are it's well built. It's got edge-to-edge cleaning, but I've just talked about the others. Anyway, 2000 watt guys, you be the judge. Thanks for watching, and catch you later. Bye.